In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to generate a datasheet using Docsie's AI generative content feature on Docsie platform. To get started, locate the User Options button in the upper right corner of your screen and click on Workspace Settings. This will take you to the Profile and Settings page. Scroll down to the Editing and Languages section and look for AI generative content. Select it, then click Define a new action. A dialog box will appear. Fill in the required fields, especially the prompt field since that's what guides the AI. Once you're done, hit Create Rule to save your action. When you're ready, click the arrow icon in the upper left corner to return to your library. On the Workspace dashboard, open the left sidebar and choose a shelf from the options listed. Pick an article from the shelf that you want to work on and click Edit Document to enter editing mode. Highlight the text you'd like to enhance or modify, then head to the right sidebar and click on Write Assist. You'll see a pen on a notebook icon. The sidebar will expand, showing options for AI generative content. Find the rule you created earlier. You'll see the prompt field displaying the instructions you defined. With your text selected and the rule chosen, click Run Action. If the result doesn't quite hit the mark, you can always click Rerun Action to refine it. Once you're happy with the output, click Append to Selection, or whatever action type you've set. Be sure to carefully review the updated text to ensure it meets your expectations and any datasheet requirements. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Also, remember to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching.